Hello everyone. So for today I have a bunch more of these flowers. I kind of want some of them made up, so I decided to bring out some Brushos. We'll see how this goes. Hopefully I don't get it everywhere like I did the last time, but we'll see. I want to do green, this emerald green color for sure. So, oh. Okay, there's sort of a lot on some of these, so I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit off, if I can, onto some of these other ones. We'll see what happens in a minute. We got the emerald green on there. Let's do some turquoise too with it. You know what? I'm just thinking. There we go. I'm totally gonna get my hands completely messy here, but that's okay. I just figure it's gonna give away the least amount of waste of this powder. So let's do that. Let's see what happens. So I think that's kind of neat. It's different. Again, they're definitely different colored now and everything. I probably should have put another sheet of paper down, but that's okay. I'm just going to lay them out on this sheet of paper slowly. Here, hopefully. I'm definitely going to have orange hands. Alright, let's grab this. But I'm just laying them out on another sheet of paper. It's okay that this got all over the place. I'm fine with that. I just want to be able to play with more colors, and I thought this would make it so I can. Again, I just thought this would be really fun, just to play. Set this off to the side and let it dry. Hopefully it'll be dry towards the end of doing this. We'll see. And we're just going to grab another page out of that book. So if you have a big book and you just want to use your papers, I think this is a great way, again, to use what you have. And you make really cute background pages. So again, I'm just going to set up some plain pieces here. Like that. And this is Brilliant Red. I'm definitely going to have to wash my hands when I'm done doing this, but that's okay. Brilliant Red with yellow. All right, let's spray. See what happens. Oh my goodness. Oops. I got it with my finger. It's like it doesn't want to spray. I'm just trying to hit these spots that are really white. But that looks about right. Again, it just comes out a little differently, don't it? So I'm going to switch out this there. So, multicolored. Now it looks like my hands were bleeding, even though it wasn't. But again, it just creates these fun little pieces to play with. Again, I just wanted to do a quick show of how just sometimes playing can create multiple things. And again, we'll be probably playing with these papers some more. Just right at the moment, I gotta let these papers dry and let these dry. But oh, isn't that pretty? I think it's gorgeous. So we gotta let our papers dry though for a bit. So that was my plan for today, was just to have a play with the gesso or not gesso, brushos, and see what would happen. I know I used it once before and everything, so I thought it'd be a good idea just to have a little bit of a play with them. Now my hands look like they're very dirty. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. Have a great day or night. Bye.